Welcome back, friends. Today's topic is how to calculate net working days for projects by subtracting the weekends and holidays. As you can see on screen, I have a data of some projects and their start date and end date. In column F, there is the list of holidays. The requirement here is to find out how many working days available for each project by subtracting the weekend of Saturday and Sunday and holidays. In this case, we can use a function in Excel, which is the NETWORKDAYS function. Click on the cell, press equals, then use NETWORKDAYS function. In start date, click on the start date of project. In end date, click on the end date of project. In holidays, select the holiday range and lock the range by pressing F4 key in the keyboard. Close the formula and hit enter. Net working days for Project Alpha is 34 days. Use the fill handle and drag the formula down for other projects. Here in this net workdays formula, the default weekend is taken as Saturday and Sunday. But what if you have a different weekend? For example, in some countries, weekend is only on Saturday. Some countries may have different weekend day. In that case, you have to use another function, which is NETWORKDAYS.INTL. Let's use NETWORKDAYS.INTL by assuming Saturday as a weekend day. Press equals, use NETWORKDAYS.INTL. Provide the start date and end date. In the weekend parameter, you can choose from a list of different weekend types. Let me select the Saturday-only weekend type, which is number 17. In holidays, select the holiday date range and lock the range by pressing F4 key in the keyboard. Close the formula and press enter. 41 days net working days available for Project Alpha by considering Saturday as weekend. Use the fill handle to drag the formula down. So that was all about calculating the net working days for projects in Microsoft Excel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button and also subscribe the channel if you're visiting for the first time. Thank you so much for watching.